What is Secure 2.0? Well, it's sort of the OG version of the Secure Act, only on steroids. No, just kidding. Well, what was the original Secure Act? It was enacted in December 19, and it made a whole host of changes to retirement plans. First, it increased the age in which retired minimum distributions had to be taken by a participant from the age of 70 and a half to the age of 72. It also mandated that most non-spouses who were inheriting IRAs had to withdraw the full amount of the inherited IRA account within 10 years. Those are just a couple key components. Now comes 2.0. It was effective January 1st, 2023. Few key changes are, again, it increased the RMD age. So if you were born in 1950, the RMD age is 72. If you are born between 1951 and 59, the RMD age is 73. If you were born 1960 or later, you're not required to take your RMDs or your required minimum distributions. I keep saying RMDs, but some people don't get that an acronym, sorry. For 1960 and older, the required minimum distribution age is 75. Also, there's catch-up contribution allowances. So it used to be that those 50 and older could contribute an additional $1,000 a year to the retirement to catch up. That number was always $1,000. Now they're increasing and indexing that. So starting in 2024, they'll add $100 each year to that $1,000. So in 2024, it'll be $1,100 and continue to increase each year. Roth options for small businesses. Generally, small businesses offer a SEP IRA or a simple IRA, and there was never a Roth component to that. Now, small businesses will be able to offer those formats of retirement in a Roth. So fun for us. Additionally, employers who have 401ks and offer them to their employees. It used to be that the employee had to opt into the 401k. Now it seems as if there's almost an opt-out component, meaning you're automatically enrolled unless you opt out of the 401k plan. So it's really encouraging people to contribute to their retirement. Other important factors is matching contributions to a retirement to employees who pay student debt. This is amazing because you may have an employee who is not able to save because they're paying off their student loans. Well, now under Secure 2.0, the employer can give a matching contribution to the retirement plan for the amounts paid for the student loan. There's also additional flexibility for making penalty-free withdrawals. There was already a whole list of reasons that you may be familiar with, but they've included things such as financial emergency or domestic abuse to allow people to access the funds without being penalized. Some of these do not go into effect immediately, but it's a good idea to kind of keep your eye on what's going on. There's a whole host of material out there about Secure 2.0, but if you have any questions, I am more than happy to chat about it. Thanks.